What's up, guys? It's Robert. You're watching GentStyle. Today I've got a shoe review from my friends over at Jay Butler. I met their CEO a couple of years ago at an influential conference back in 2020. He was a great guy. And recently one of their employees reached out to me and offered me a pair of shoes. And so I said, yeah, I'll take a free pair of dress shoes. And so I've got some loafers here that I'm going to review. So first thing, the packaging, very straightforward, very simple. Jay Butler on the box. If you don't order shoe trees, the shoe is not going to come with shoe trees. So that's something to consider. Me personally, I always keep shoe trees on hand. So I've got a pair here that are going to fit. And then also they give you a beautiful bag for your shoes to go in, which is very nice if you're traveling. So you got your own shoe bag there. First thing, these are a gold bit loafer. These are Milbank loafers, the proper name. And these are a very nice, well-produced shoe. Full grain leather, great material. So I'm going to just take some of the original packaging out of the shoe and I'm going to slide my shoe trees in. And we're going to take a look at these with shoe trees in, which should actually fit really perfect. So a little bit of history about the Milbank loafers. These have been a style of loafers with the gold bit. You could get a gold bit, you could get a silver one. These have been out since the 1950s when they first came into popularity. They're a great constructed shoe from Jay Butler. They feature a Blake sole, which is a great touch. You want to make sure that when you're getting a shoe, that it's not just like a fused or glued shoe, kind of like your suit. You want to have a full canvas or a half canvas. So the shoes have a great sole, Blake stitch, or I forgot what the other term is for where it's stitched all the way, but Blake stitch is easily resolable. So what that means is when you have a full grain leather shoe and you have a Blake stitch, you're going to get a lot of versatility and a lot of wear out of these over the long term, because the leather on the upper is real legit leather and it's going to develop a great patina over time. And the sole is always resolable. So if you ever need to resole this, you can simply take it to a cobbler and they're going to be able to resole the shoe for an affordable price. According to Jay Butler's website, these shoes are manufactured in Leon, Mexico. So you're getting a hand welted shoe made in Mexico. And I can say personally, just from feeling these shoes and feeling the quality, they're very well produced. I love this kind of pleating or rippling that they did over here on the side of the shoe. I think that's a great touch. You could clearly see that everything has been hand sewed. And the thing that's great about hand construction shoes is that they took their time, they cut this material, they molded it to the pattern, and you get this beautiful final outcome. So I'm really happy with these shoes. I think the quality's great. I did try them on before doing this video and they're very comfortable. So the Milbank loafer from Jay Butler, this comes in sizes ranging from a size 7 to a size 15. So whatever size you wear, they have an option for you. They also come in different colors and different styles. These are just their typical brown leather. The reason I decided to choose this color is because it goes well with everything. It's a very versatile color, as you're going to see in the outfits that I'm wearing today. So those are the loafers from Jay Butler. Great pair of shoes. Now let's take a look at how to style them. So the first outfit that we're going to do with these beautiful loafers today is a pair of light wash denim jeans, white socks, because I think if I'm going to wear loafers a little bit more casually, I'm going to have white socks on. I know that some people say you got to have dress socks, but we're going to do white socks. Also decided to go with a sports coat. This is a blazer from the GentStyle Collection, one of my favorite blazers. And then a pair of light wash denim jeans from Goodfellow & Company. White dress shirt also from the GentStyle Collection. You could do this outfit with or without a tie. It's going to be a great business casual, smart casual outfit to wear, and it's going to look very good with these beautiful loafers. Outfit number 2, wearing these a little bit more formal, is going to be with a full suit. So this suit is also from the GentStyle Collection. This is one of my favorite wool silk linen suits. Very great for the summertime. Very lightweight, very casual. I decided to do this with a white dress shirt and a blue tie, also from the GentStyle Collection for the shirt. And one thing, always remember when you're wearing a suit jacket or a sports coat or a blazer, make sure you have a pocket square on. And then for a casual way to wear this, I would keep it simple. I'm going to go with the polo horizontal striped shirt. This is just a plain t-shirt from Polo, Ralph Lauren, and then a pair of drawstring shorts from H&M. And then of course, I decided to do the loafers with no socks this time. You can do no socks or you can do no show socks, but when it's a beautifully crafted shoe from Jay Butler, you don't even have to wear socks. You could just go with no socks. And that's what I decided to do today. I gotta say, by far, this is one of my favorite ways to wear my loafers from Jay Butler, and I'm excited to have these shoes in my wardrobe. So with that being said, that's my review of the Jay Butler Milbank loafers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And always remember to stay dapper.